Welcome to English Total Grammar Lessons. Chapter 3. The Present Continuous. As usual, let's start by looking at the uses of the present continuous. We can use it to describe what is happening at the moment and to describe temporary situations. For example,
I am giving a presentation. We aren't having lunch.
We are visiting Italy this week.
I am looking for a restaurant now.
let's talk about sentence structure in the present continuous. Here we have the subject, followed by the verb to be, and the verb in ing form. Take a look at this table. As you can see here, it is very important to use the right form of the verb to be according to the subject. And you can form negative sentences in the present continuous by negating the verb to be. Take a look at this timeline. As we said earlier, the present continuous is used to describe actions that are in progress in present. Let's look at some examples.
I'm working. I'm not watching TV. Maria is reading a newspaper. She's not eating.
We're having dinner. You are not listening to me. The children are doing their homework.
Now, let's have a look at question formation in the present continuous. This is the structure for question formation. The question starts with the verb to be, followed by the subject, and then the verb in ing form. Look at these examples.
Are you reading the news?
No, I am watching memes.
Once again, this is the structure for positive sentences in the present continuous. And this is the structure for questions. Notice how the question starts with the right form of the verb to be, followed by the subject. Here are some examples.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm fine, thanks.
Is it raining?
Yes, take an umbrella.
What's Paul doing?
He's studying for his exams.
Finally, let's have a quick look at short answers. Here is the structure for forming short answers. It's quite simple. And here you have a few examples.
Are you going now?
Yes, I am.
Is Ben working today?
Yes, he is.
Is it raining?
No, it isn't.
Are your friends staying at a hotel?
No, they aren't.
As you have learned in this lesson, the present continuous is used to talk about what you are doing right now, or events that are in progress. You can also use it to describe temporary situations which are not happening at the moment. And as you can imagine, it's a vital aspect of speaking naturally. This is the end of Chapter 3.